Oh. It's recording. Whoops.
Can you do it on the tip of your nose?
Well, guys, everybody have fun at King's Buffet?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, and Sunday's back there saying yes somewhere.
That's crazy.
Yep.
Can I clean my phone screen off with this?
No, but you can use a wipe.
This is a wipe.
Balance the bird.
This
on
is a
that.
wipe.
Bird balance
Let me
challenge.
do it. Let me do it.
Oh, bird balance challenge.
Bird balance challenge. You need,
Let me
the
do it.
challenge is actually you got to say that 5 times.
Bird balance challenge. Bird balance challenge. Bird balance. Yeah, I give up.
Bird bounce challenge.
Bird balance challenge. Bird balance challenge.
Bird bounce challenge, bird bounce challenge, bird bounce challenge.
Bird balance challenge. Bird balance.
This is the bird
Epic
balance
fail.
challenge.
Let me do it.
On
Come on,
the
I can
nose.
do
I was
it.
actually hurting my nose and my neck. I just ate from the buffet.
You hurt me.
Oh, so-
Let me try, Daddy.
Let me try this on
My
my.
turn.
Woo!
Daddy broke it.
Oh my god, no I didn't.
Yeah, you.
You
No,
threw
I
it right
didn't.
in
Daddy, you broke the bird! Just like you broke Dean's friggin' drone on Christmas morning because you thought it could climb the wall.
Don't even talk.
That's a bunch of crap.
Okay. Dean,
Give me it. Let me see it. I didn't break it. I didn't break it.
That's aluminum.
I
didn't
thought
break
that
it.
because I had it when I was a
I
kid.
took it out
I-
to play with it, you
I
guys.
didn't break it.
I had the exact same one when I was a
I didn't
child.
break
Did
it.
you?
That's Illuminati.
I didn't break it.
What the heck?
Kobe.
What happened?
He friggin'
Dean,
hit me
what
with
the hell
the
did you
glove.
Dean.
Blake did that to himself. You want this?
Shit, man. How the hell do they make this thing?
Dad!
didn't break
Daddy,
this.
reckless, you swore!
Here, let me do it. Let me
Hold
do
on,
it.
I can fix this.
No, I could do it. You're the one that broke it.
How did this come out? There's no opening. Look at this. How did this fall out of this?
Are you sure it came out of
How did that piece of metal fall out of this bird? The bird's not opened at all. So through his
Shake
beak?
around. See if that.
Oh wait, no, on the wing. On the wing, there was like a crack thing.
His beak is open. Look at that.
Daddy,
Oh gosh.
Daddy, reckless, you ruined the bird.
How did that come out? Through here? I'm just gonna slip it in there.
What is it? Like a
We'll do it. Fast.
magnet?
No, Dad, it's from the wing.
The wing? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yeah. from the
But it's
wing.
supposed to go in the mouth though, isn't it?
Okay, so this side of the wing, this actually feels empty.
Okay, now you gotta
there,
fix
there,
right
there,
there.
there, it is. Nope, it's fixed. Don't worry, I got it fixed. Got it fixed real quick. I got it fixed. Don't worry.
What did he do to the birdie?
What do you mean? Don't tell me what I did to the bird. I didn't none to the bird. I fixed the bird. I'm saving this bird.
Here, let me try
This
now,
is
Daddy.
wildlife rescue right
You're
now.
gonna break it again.
Right! Look! 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 Look!
Look, you don't have to cry.
Look!
guys.
Right!
Mm.
Look! Give me your finger.
try-
Give me
oh
a
my
finger.
God.
Let me see. Give me
I
your
just
finger.
gonna play with
Give me a
this.
finger.
This isn't fair
Let's see.
anymore.
Give me your finger. Hold it out. Hold out your finger. Let's see if it works.
Get that thing
Nevaeh,
away from
hold
me.
out your finger.
I know. Can I show you guys something?
Daddy fixed
It feels a
it!
little bit better now. Watch this.
It's even better now, isn't it?
Yeah.
See? I updated it. I
Don't
gave it an
drop
update and enhancement.
Watch this, you guys.
it's an
This
upgrade.
is the cool part. Watch this.
Oh my god, it actually does work better now.
Ooh.
Works better.
So
Wait, can I
everybody
try?
had a good time though at the buffet?
No.
What?
Wait, that's
No.
what you did.
No.
You guys got those salt shakers, pepper shakers and
Ah. Mommy, wait. Mom.
Okay, it won't-
Mom. Mommy. Dean broke it
Hey, no,
again. Dean broke it again.
It's my fault.
Why? Why would you hit the camera?
Oops. I want to show you.
Wait, I'm fixing it.
Jesus,
You came out?
Yeah.
I love how everyone just ruins the video. This one says doorknob. That one smacks my camera.
That's life.
That's life in this
Hey, give me
household.
a finger.
Hello.
Don't
Can
drop
you
it.
please clean my screen for me?
Little Blake, not fake chain.
I can't take you seriously with that look.
Gosh.
Okay. Alright, we're done. Okay, everybody say bye.
Hey, do it again.
Bye. Bye.
Right
Bye.
half on the chest. You
Oh,
get goosebumps all over you. Sorry, you can
wow,
rash.
baby Bray, wow.
Oh yeah, he is. Yeah, you are.
Cool, bye bird.
Bye.
Tell everyone to subscribe.
Bye.
Okay.
I'm gonna go dry myself in the shower.
I'm sorry,
And
what?
me. And me.
Okay, bye.